Thank you, motherfuckers. Thank you very fucking much. Give yourselves a fucking round of applause for coming out and supporting the underground on a Monday. That's fucking awesome. Thank you. All right, one more. One more. This is it. This is the end, mate. I want to see everyone stick your finger up and fucking give us a bird. All right, you know how to do that? Come on, mate. Yeah, you go. You're not fucking exempt. What about you cunts over here? What about I can see some cunt hiding behind the pole? Where's your finger, mate? Come on. All right, this song's called Fuck You and the Horse You Rode In On. So every time you hear that, I want to see the fingers. You ready? Let's hit it.